Hello everyone, chocolate chips, cookies, low calorie, keto, everything in one place. So you have amazing chocolate chips, it's keto, it's gluten-free and low calorie in same times. If this first time to watching, my name is Ahmed Yunus, best champion of Africa, working cruise line all over the world, bring the original recipe and all my skill in this channel. So please watch all the video in my YouTube channel. Very easy recipe. 2 small eggs, 70 gram cacao powder. It's so easy recipe. 60 gram chocolate chips, half gram Himalaya salt. I put 2 eggs, then the sugar, 30 gram stevia sugar with 2 gram Nescafe. Nescafe with chocolate, it's give really good combination. So 2 eggs, 70 gram cacao, 60 gram chocolate chips, 100%, half gram salt, 60 gram melted butter, 30 gram stevia sugar, 2 gram Nescafe powder. Egg, sugar, Nescafe together, then added melted butter, and finally cacao. After that, our 100% chocolate chips is from Bilcolat. You mix slowly with the cocoa powder. Until all the salt. Please guys, if you like the video, make subscribe to my channel, make share, let your friends know about our video. And as you see, all techniques we have, so simple, so easy. Don't work hard if you can work smart. With ice cream scoop, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, it's depend about how size you want. It's so easy. If you have ice cream scoop, it helps you to make all the same size, or you just take normal spoon and roll it. Or you can put quantity in the scale to make all the same size, or just roll it like that. But very important, you keep minimum 2 centimeter high, and that who make it chewy inside. If you see my original recipe of chocolate chips, it's the same. If you keep it little high, it gives you chewy inside. When it's go down, when you have right temperature, you are the best chocolate chips ever. Just a little push on top to make sure all is taken the silver sheet. And this chocolate on top for decorated. Then we bake 175. It takes 9 minutes only. It's not 13. It takes 9 minutes. and chocolate chips was ready. Be careful of baking the cookies, because if you bake it over, it will become hard. We need it beautiful, sexy, chewy inside. As you see, perfect. Nine minutes, 175 centigrade. You have this beautiful from up, down, and the inside is chewy. This is the perfect chocolate chips, keto, low calorie. My always say, don't work hard, work smart. Ahmad Yunus.